Hi, today I'm running the Lenovo Tab M7 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll to the display section, then tap to wallpaper and select wallpaper section. After that you'll see all the default wallpapers, or you can use photos from your device gallery or just the Google Drive photos. I'll use the one from the default wallpapers. Tap on the right upper corner to select wallpaper, but first select here lock screen. But as well, let's just use it once again. Unselect home screen. If you want to set only to the lock screen, tap on the right upper corner. Wait a second, now wallpaper set successfully, so we can see that we just successfully change it. Also, we got one more way how we can do that. Just first hold for a while your home screen, then click to wallpaper section. And by the same way, just use the another wallpaper, select only lock screen, click to set wallpaper on the right upper corner, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.